this first one, you're told that this sphere has a volume, and it's a given volume, but you want to find its surface area. So the first thing that we would do is use the volume formula for 4/3 pi r cubed. Plug that, or set that equal to the measure they tell you, 16,584.72, and solve for r. So in order to solve for the radius here, we're going to undo the operations being performed to it. So instead of to undo the 4/3, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, 3/4. So those cancel. We then undo the multiplication by pi, so that's going to be in the denominator as well for those to cancel. And then we extract our cube root. So we're going to take the cube root of both sides. And you can either take the cube root or take it to the power of 1/3. Okay, so because I'm going to use the calculator emulator, I'm going to use the power of 1/3. So I'm going to take this whole quantity right here, 16,584.72 times 3 divided by the quantity 4 pi. I'm going to close that whole thing off, and I'm going to take it to the power of 1/3. Okay, I have a decimal in my entry, so my answer should display as a decimal. And that gives me approximately 5.8 or 15.82 as the radius. And now, there's other digits that follow this, so this is not an exact answer. This is just an approximation. But what I can now do is use that to find the surface area. The surface area formula for a sphere is 4 pi r squared. And so if I plug that into r right here and calculate, so if I square this quantity and then multiply it by 4 pi, I'll get my solution, which is 3145.02 approximately. The units are miles, and my solution is for a surface area, which is a two-dimensional measurement.